The best crypto to buy right now? Stay tuned in the video and find out.
And before we start, guys, I just want to let you know that I'm not your financial advisor and that you should make your own decisions before investing into a project. Bitcoin just hit the $121,000 resistance level, and once again, it could break through. We're seeing a textbook pullback on daily chart. Check the live chart on CoinMarketCap. And here is where things get interesting. Historically, when BTC slows down, money starts flowing into altcoins. And when that happens, the real gains come from one category: meme coins. Shiba, Dogecoin, they made millionaires, but you had to get in early. And guess what? We're approaching another bull cycle in 2025, and the game is on again. Let me show you where to look, what's coming, and how could you catch the next 100 times. Let's begin with the meme coin that kicked off the frog narrative, Pepe. You can check the Pepe chart here. The price action tells the story. Now pause for a second. Did you notice that even Elon Musk had frog in his X profile picture? This isn't random. Frogs are trending again. But here's the reality. The big gains on Pepe already made. Same with Shiba and Doge. The early entries are long gone. Right now, those same types of returns are hiding in pre-sales. Early stage, low cap meme coins. Let's shift to Lil Pepe. It's a frog themed token built on EVM layer 2, aiming to support Ethereum scalability. Interesting idea, but that's not where the real spotlight is right now. Let me introduce you to Pepeto, and this one has wild backstory. Visit the official website at pepeto.io and follow along. Here is what's being whispered in crypto circles. When Pepe launched, there were two co-founders. One of them allegedly got cut out before the token went live. The other took the name Pepe and ran with the fame, but betrayed founder, he kept the final two letters, T and O, waiting, plotting. Now he's back with Pepeto. They're calling it the day of redemption. This kind of storytelling, it drives meme coins. People don't just want utility, they want a reason to believe. Pepeto has that narrative hook, and here is where it gets crazy. Both Pepe and Pepeto have the same token supply, 420 trillion. But Pepeto's current price, 0.000000143. Let's do some basic math. If Pepeto reaches Pepe's price, a $10,000 investment could potentially turn into nearly $1 million. That's a 97 times, almost 100. Now that's what early investors live for. Unlike many meme coins, Pepeto isn't just about hype, it's actually building. According to their latest X post, here is what's coming. A full exchange for meme coins only, a bridge to connect tokens across blockchains, a zero-fee swap platform for seamless trading, and most importantly, a community that's rapidly growing. This isn't just a pump and dump coin, this is an actual ecosystem, and if they land a tier 1 exchange listing soon, this thing could explode. And how to buy Pepeto step by step. Let me break it down for you, super simple. Go to pepeto.io, click Connect Wallet, MetaMask or Trust Wallet, etc. Choose your currency, Ethereum, USDT or BNB. Purchase at the pre-sale price, 0.000000143. Early buyers unlock staking rewards, ecosystem benefits, and entry before the crowd even knows it exists. This is the phase where generational wealth is made, before the listings, before the hype, when nobody's paying attention. If you're watching this now, you're early. Now, this part is critical. If you're interested in Pepeto, you need to follow them on X and Telegram. Follow them on Next for the fastest updates on new partnerships, exchange listings, behind-the-scenes developments, community campaigns. You don't want to hear the news after the pump, you want to be there when it drops, and that's exactly what you get by following Pepeto on X. And just as important, join the Telegram channel to chat with the core community, get instant alerts on pre-sale phases, ask questions directly to the team, participate in early airdrops and staking perks. Telegram is where it all starts. This is your access point to Pepeto ecosystem before it becomes mainstream. So if you're serious about catching the next 100 times meme coin before the crowd, X and Telegram are your front row seat. And guys, let's recap. Bitcoin is pulling back, altcoin season is brewing, meme coins are heating up, and Pepeto is coming in hot with a story, a platform, a community, and an undervalued price point. The question isn't will meme coins run again, the question is which one will lead the charge, and right now Pepeto is shaping up to be that coin. Don't just watch history, be part of it. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you find this video informative and entertaining. Don't forget to share this video, subscribe to the channel, like it, and put notification on. Join this amazing project called Pepeto and check all of these informations just for yourself. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.